What's good? It's Killer KD. Now, I was on YouTube, right? See people putting light bulbs in the microwave. These motherfuckers just cutting on and shit. I'm like, man, let me try this for myself. You know what I'm saying? So, me, Killer KD, gonna do it myself. Now, if I blow up, please come to my funeral. Alright. I'm gonna step back. Dang, that's fucking crazy. Oh. You see them lights? Oh, shit. That didn't look too safe. One of them, they smoking. They smoking. They don't look too safe. Caution, this could be deadly. See that shit? Can you see that shit? It's fucking up the camera because it's too much radiance. Fuck that shit. Crikey. Alright. Step in. Oh shit, the whole microwave is smoking.